I really lost control of my emotions the other day. We were in the studio trying to record this new song, and I just blew up.
Well, I guess we're ready to jump right in.
Let's rock!
Yeah, I need a few more minutes to make sure everything is ready.
What else could you possibly need? Everything we have is right here. Let's get started! Yeah!
Actually, I can't find my yellow guitar pick.
So what? You have like a million picks.
But for this song, I need the yellow one.
What does it matter? Just pick a pick. Let's go.
It matters to me. The yellow one has the right weight and flexibility.
Just don't use one?
I want to use one for this song, and I want to use the yellow one.
Uh-oh.
The yellow one! Yellow, 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 yellow.
Hi, Rick.
Hi.
May I have your attention?
Yeah?
Will you please take a breath with me?
Okay.
Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. How do you feel now?
Better. Calm.
Great. Now, what would you like to do?
I don't know, I guess I could try using this gray pick.
What do you think?
Well, it was okay, but the attack on the notes isn't quite right.
What do you want to do? Is there anything else you can try?
I could try putting it through the amp simulator. It would totally change the sound, but I don't know, it might work. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I'm so glad you like it.
The guitar part sounded so much better than I expected. I never would have come up with that idea of the amp simulator if I stayed upset. Breathing helped me move from the red zone into the green zone. I'm going to remember that the next time I get mad.
Now that's what you call a happy accident.
Hey, Rick! I just dropped my chocolate and my peanut butter, and it's amazing!
It is.
See?